Hey everyone, Ryan here with Titan Vans. Here's a quick tech tip for all you Storyteller Overland owners. This customer brought their van into us for a warranty repair. Said that the Volta system was not working, so there was no electrical working in the rear of the van. The 120 volt outlets are not working. The 12 volt system is not working. The fan, the refrigerator, the heater is not working. Other than that, the front half of the van works just fine. There's just something going on with the Volta system. So when he brought it in here, I immediately went to go turn on the switch for the Volta. Green light turns on, you hear the clicks in the back of the van. And when you let it start up, you'll notice only the Volta screen turns on. The M-Power screen does not turn on here. There is no life in the M-Power screen at all. But you do get your state of charge over here on the battery for the Volta system. And then when you go into the inverter settings on here, it tells you the inverter is switched to on, but the inverter status is off. So what I did was I came into the back of the van, back here, removed the faceplate of the cabinet, and found inside here, after doing a bunch of diagnostic testing and everything like that, traced back the wires to control basically all the power in the system, and found that this fuse is bad. So this fuse is actually a 58 volt fuse. It looks like a standard 12 volt automotive fuse, but you cannot find these in auto parts stores or Walmart or any conventional place that you would be able to buy fuses. So this part has to come from Volta specifically. All right, so I've got the replacement fuse here. I'm going to plug it in to the fuse holder. Make sure you put the protective cap back on. And then when we come back over to the Volta system here, turn it back on. Wait for it to start up. The Volta screen comes on, and then the M-Power screen comes on. And everything now on the 12 volt side and the 120 volt side works inside of the van, and it was just that blown fuse. So important, to keep in mind for any of you Storyteller owners. If you're ever out there in the backcountry or anything like that, that's the repair. I'd recommend, we see these fuses blow from time to time on the Volta system. In the Storytellers, I recommend buying some of the 58 volt fuses and keeping them with you inside the van, just in case anything happens. Thanks for stopping by. Hope this tech tip was helpful, and until next time, we'll see you out there.